Okay, we got our head here, so we're going to put our eyes in. And I mixed up some plaster of Paris to put them in. And that's the eyes we're going to use. They're wooden dowels painted. So we're going to drop them in first. And what you want to do is just hold the head above you, hold the head up above yours so you can center the eyes. Okay. And then we'll take the plaster of Paris and put it in all around the eye to seal it. You want this to be nice and pasty so it'll set in all the way around it and seal it in. So you want to fill the eye hole. And then once you get that in there, you want to tap your head to make sure you fill up all the holes. And then you want to hold it up above your head again. Make sure your eyes are stayed centered for you. This one did not, so we're making some adjustments on it. Okay, so we're good there. So what we'll do is we'll let this set up, let it dry, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.